So here is how to create action figure trend in ChatGPT. First, you will need to open the browser and go to ChatGPT, and then we will need to upload or attach the image we want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this image right here, and then in the prompt, I'm just going to type turn this image into a action to an action figure trend, and then I'm going to press the OK to send the prompt, and then wait for it to generate it. So it just finished creating the image and it looks like this. Now you can always customize the prompt and add whatever you like to modify or adjust the image as you need. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.